Google is rolling out Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, a new AI model that gives users finer control over photo edits. Aiming to rival OpenAI's image tools and boost Gemini adoption, the update launches Tuesday in the Gemini app, API, AI Studio, and Vertex AI. The model enables precise natural language edits while preserving faces, animals, and details that often get distorted by competitors. For example, it can change a shirt's color without altering the person's face or background. Gemini's editor can also blend multiple images, handle multi-turn editing conversations, and combine references like furniture photos and color palettes into cohesive renders. Google says the tool outperforms rivals on benchmarks and was previously tested anonymously on LM Arena under the codename nano-banana. AI image tools are now a battleground for big tech. OpenAI's GPT-4o drove a spike in ChatGPT usage. Meta is partnering with Midjourney. And Black Forest Labs leads with its Flux models. Google hopes Gemini's new editor will help close the gap. ChatGPT sees 700M weekly users, while Gemini has 450M monthly. Google emphasizes consumer use cases like home and garden visualization, while adding safeguards against misuse. AI-generated images include watermarks and metadata identifiers to combat deepfakes, though spotting them in social feeds may remain a challenge. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.